Join us today as we make loaded Blackstone French fries.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. Today we're doing another French fry video and we are doing ultimate loaded French fries on the Blackstone. You're not going to want to miss this one. Check it out. So for our loaded French fries, you could put whatever you want on it. You could dice an onion, throw it on there, whatever. We've got some bacon that's already cooked up and crispy. We're going to crumble that over it. We've got some shredded Colby and cheddar cheese mixed together. We're going to put that over top of it. We're going to take some Dean's jalapeno popper dip. We're going to put that on there. If you don't want the jalapeno dip, you could put some top the tater. If you, like me, are already spicy enough and don't need the extra, we're going to use that. And we're going to put that all together over top of the French fries, and this is going to be delicious. So to start out, we always start out in a Blackstone with a little bit of oil like that, and we're going to go with about a tablespoon of butter. That's not all the butter we're going to use, but that's all we need for right now. Your butter's melted. Grab yourself some French fries. As soon as you get them on the Blackstone, get that butter soaked up into the fries. Lay them out nice and flat. We're going to season these. We're using Blackstone's cheesesteak seasoning on the French fries. Now that we've got them all seasoned and buttered, we're going to pile them up because we need to cover them. Get a dome, cover them up. We're just going to let them sit here, and like I said, we're on that medium heat. We're going to let them sit here for about 5 minutes. Now that we've got them unfrozen, we want to spread these things out a little bit. That's just going to help them cook all the way through and crisp up, which is what we're looking for. About 5 minutes, right around there. That's a good basis to start with. If they look like they're starting to get black after 3, turn your heat down. I can hear these sizzling. That's how I know it's time to flip them. Just when they start to sizzle, I'm trying to get them all flipped. Yeah, look at that. Nice and crisp. And you can still hear them sizzling. You can still see they're not quite done yet, so I'm gonna keep them on here for a little bit longer. All right, so we're ready to pull these fries off of the Blackstone. If you guys haven't got yourselves one of these scoops, I know I've said it a bunch of times when I'm doing fries or rice or anything loose, get yourself one of these Blackstone scoops. You need a spatula to throw the stuff in there.
That looks so unstable on that glove.
Yeah, that's why I did this here. Look at that.
Like, don't lose the fries.
Okay. Oh, nice and crispy.
Love that.
Yeah. Okay. Now, loaded. We're going to take first some bacon. Right? We're going to crumble that bacon up. Throw that over it. And we're going to just toss it a little bit. However you like to do it.
Was that the last 2?
That was the last 2. Oh, we were going to eat those, weren't you?
No, last, after all the ingredients.
Oh!
That's where the bacon goes.
I'm sorry.
Whichever one you want. I'd do the cheese down closest to melt it.
Yeah, all right.
You messing with me?
There, we're going to put some more cheese on there. You trying to get that fry?
Yeah.
Is that crispy?
Mm-hmm.
Look at, I heard that crisp.
Oh,
and we're going to do some jalapeno popper, right? Dean's dip.
Yes.
We're going to throw that over the top of it. If you don't like the jalapeno, this is my personal favorite. Top the tater, man. That's excellent.
You can also add actual jalapenos to this, or, you know.
Onions, chives.
Yep, anything you want. This is just the way I like it. Probably plain, but it's very good.
That is awesome. Now we got to take the fry and just get through that.
Oh, sure. Yeah, you don't want to waste them.
Oh my gosh, those are just scalding. That is awesome. Well, yeah, we're taste testing. We got to try it out. A little bit of cheese and a little bit of dip. Wow.
Are they good?
Mm. That's fantastic. Oh man, those are so good. So I've seen loaded fries done a bunch of different ways, a bunch of different places all throughout the country. So if you guys have a different way, a better way, different ingredients that you like to throw in yours, leave a comment. Let us know how you do them. We'd really love to hear from you. Thanks for coming with us today here at Coop de Grill, cooking loaded French fries on the Blackstone. Do not forget to like and subscribe, drop a comment. It helps grow our channel.